Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might find yourself needing to move your Dogecoin from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Uphold in 2025. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to keep your assets secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Uphold. You'll need some Dogecoin in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Uphold. Why do this? Uphold offers great features for managing multiple cryptos, so transferring can help you diversify or access better tools. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Dogecoin balance. That's where the magic starts. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option next to your Dogecoin. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Go to your Dogecoin wallet and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Back in Bitrue, paste that Uphold wallet address into the recipient field. You'll also need to specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Don't forget to select the right network. For Dogecoin, it's usually the Dogecoin network itself. Review everything carefully, as transactions can't always be reversed. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion and fees. Over on Uphold, refresh your wallet to see the Dogecoin arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Give it time and check the Blockchain Explorer for confirmation. A quick tip. Always consider the transaction fees. They can vary, so transferring larger amounts might save you money in the long run. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfer wisely. There you have it, you've successfully moved your Dogecoin from Bitrue to Uphold. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.